Video number 8. How to purchase cryptocurrency. If you're new to the world of crypto, figuring out how to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies can be confusing at first. Thankfully, it's simple to learn the ropes. You can start investing in cryptocurrency by following these 5 easy steps. 1. Choose a broker or crypto exchange. To buy cryptocurrency, first you need to pick a broker or a crypto exchange. While either lets you buy crypto, there are a few key differences between them to keep in mind. What is a cryptocurrency exchange? A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where buyers and sellers meet to trade cryptocurrencies. Exchanges often have relatively low fees, but they tend to have more complex interfaces with multiple trade types and advanced performance charts, all of which can make them intimidating for new crypto investors. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase, Gemini, and buyfinance.us. While these companies' standard trading interfaces may overwhelm beginners, particularly those without a background trading stocks, they also offer user-friendly, easy purchase options. An important note: as someone new to crypto, you'll want to make sure your exchange or brokerage of choice allows fiat currency transfers and purchases made with US dollars. Some exchanges only allow you to buy crypto using another crypto, meaning you'd have to find another exchange to buy the tokens your preferred exchange accepts before you can begin trading crypto on that platform. What is a cryptocurrency broker? Cryptocurrency brokers take the complexity out of purchasing crypto, offering easy-to-use interfaces that interact with exchanges for you. Some charge higher fees than exchanges. Others claim to be free while making money by selling information about what you and other traders are buying and selling to large brokerages or funds, or not executing your trade at the best possible market price. Robinhood and SoFi are two of the most well-known crypto brokers. 2. Create and verify your account. Once you decide on a cryptocurrency broker or exchange, you can sign up to open an account. Depending on the platform and the amount you plan to buy, you may have to verify your identity. This is an essential step to prevent fraud and meet federal regulatory requirements. You may not be able to buy or sell cryptocurrency until you complete the verification process. The platform may ask you to submit a copy of your driver's license or passport, and you may even be asked to upload a selfie to prove your appearance matches the documents you submit. 3. Deposit cash to invest. To buy crypto, you'll need to make sure you have funds in your account. You might deposit money into your crypto account by linking your bank account, authorizing a wire transfer, or even making a payment with a debit or credit card. Depending on the exchange or broker and your funding method, you may have to wait a few days before you can use the money you deposit to buy cryptocurrency. Here's one big buyer beware. While some exchanges or brokers allow you to deposit money from a credit card, doing so is extremely risky and expensive. 4. Place your cryptocurrency order. Once there is money in your account, you're ready to place your first cryptocurrency order. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies to choose from, ranging from well-known names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to more obscure cryptos like Theta Fuel or Holo. When you decide on which cryptocurrency to purchase, you can enter its ticker symbol. Bitcoin, for instance, is BTC, and how many coins you'd like to purchase. With most exchanges and brokers, you can purchase fractional shares of cryptocurrency, allowing you to buy a sliver of high-priced tokens like Bitcoin or Ethereum that otherwise take thousands to own. 5. Select the storage method. Cryptocurrency exchanges are not backed by protections like the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp, FDIC, and they're at risk of theft or hacking. You could even lose your investment if you forget or lose the codes to access your account, as millions of dollars of Bitcoin already has been. That's why it's so important to have a secure storage place for your cryptocurrencies. As noted above, if you're buying cryptocurrency via a broker, you may have little to no choice in how your cryptocurrency is stored. If you purchase cryptocurrency through an exchange, you have more options. Leave the crypto on the exchange. When you buy cryptocurrency, it's typically stored in a so-called crypto wallet attached to the exchange. If you don't like the provider your exchange partners with, or you want to move it to a more secure location, you might transfer it off the exchange to a separate hot or cold wallet. Hot wallets. These are crypto wallets that are stored online and run on internet-connected devices, such as tablets, computers, or phones. Hot wallets are convenient, but there's a higher risk of theft since they're still connected to the internet. Cold wallets. Cold crypto wallets aren't connected to the internet, making them your most secure option for holding cryptocurrency. They take the form of external devices like a USB drive or a hard drive. You must be careful with cold wallets though. If you lose the key code associated with them, or the device breaks or fails, you may never be able to get your cryptocurrency back. Alternatives ways to buy cryptocurrency. While buying cryptocurrency is a major trend right now, it's a volatile and risky investment choice. If investing in crypto on an exchange or via a broker doesn't feel like the right choice for you, here are a few options to indirectly invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. 1. Wait for crypto exchange traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are extremely popular investment tools that let you buy exposure to hundreds of individual investments in one fell swoop. This means they provide immediate diversification and are less risky than investing in individual investments. There is a huge appetite for cryptocurrency ETFs, which would allow you to invest in many cryptocurrencies at once. No cryptocurrency ETFs are available for everyday investors quite yet, but there may be some soon. As of June 2021, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is reviewing 3 cryptocurrency ETF applications from Cryptcoin, VanEck, and WisdomTree. 2. Invest in companies connected to cryptocurrency. If you'd rather invest in companies with tangible products or services and that are subject to regulatory oversight, but still want exposure to the cryptocurrency market, you can buy stocks of companies that use or own cryptocurrencies and the blockchain that powers them. You'll need an online brokerage account to buy shares of public companies like Nvidia, PayPal, Square. As with any investment, make sure you consider your investment goals and current financial situation before investing in cryptocurrency or individual companies that have a heavy stake in it. Cryptocurrency can be extremely volatile. A single tweet can make its price plummet, and it's still a very speculative investment. This means you should invest carefully and with caution. Thank you. See you in the next video lesson.